You find a product idea in minutes that would normally take hours of searching across Google, Amazon, Reddit, and review websites. Today, I'll show you how to use Perplexity AI to research any product faster, smarter, and with AI-powered insights that can save you both time and money. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to research products using Perplexity AI, even if you're a complete beginner. First, open your browser and visit perplexity.ai. Click sign up if you're new, or log in if you already have an account. You can sign in using your Google account, Apple ID, or email address. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main search page where you can start asking questions instantly. Now let's begin your product research. Instead of searching with a simple keyword like best microphone, ask a detailed question. For example, what is the best USB microphone under $100 for YouTube creators in 2026? Compare sound quality, build quality, and value for money. Perplexity doesn't just give one answer. It searches trusted sources, compares information, and provides references, making it much easier to verify the results. Want even better research? Ask follow-up questions like, which microphone has the best noise cancellation? Or which option is best for beginners? This creates a conversation, helping you narrow down the perfect product without starting over. You can also compare products directly. For example, compare Logitech MX Master 3S versus Keychron M6 for productivity. Perplexity highlights the major differences, advantages, disadvantages, pricing, and real user feedback, so you can make a confident decision. Another powerful feature is sources. Always check the linked sources to confirm the information, read expert reviews, and see what real users are saying before buying. If you're researching products for YouTube, affiliate marketing, or your own shopping, Perplexity AI can help you discover features, compare competitors, identify pros and cons, and even suggest better alternatives in just a few minutes. That's how easy it is to research products with Perplexity AI. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which product you'd like to research next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.